Hello and welcome to Base Plate Reviews. Today we're going to have a bit of a mini review for a bit of a mini set. This is the new LEGO City sub-theme Rides, and we have got 60483, the loader or construction loader, 61 pieces, goes for $10 US, 10 euros, 8 British pounds and 13 Canadian dollars. The other three sets that are in this sub-theme are a police truck, a fire truck and a racing game car. I've gone for the construction loader because I do like my construction vehicles, and I should have a review of the recently released cement mixer coming up soon too. This is a really mini set, not a lot going on there. It's definitely for younger builders, but I think it's pretty cute and was low cost enough to take the risk on. And I think some people will be picking it up just for the baby minifigs, maybe using the tiny helmets so they can build baby astronauts, stuff like that. But yeah, let's get this open, see what we're working with and get it built. This really is such a small set. I think the only things that you get smaller now are obviously the minifigure packs that actually come in a cardboard box now, and then poly bags really. But yeah, let's get it open, see what's in there. I assume that the instruction manual is going to be pretty small, to be honest. Alright, so there's actually 2 bags worth of stuff, fairly small, but then separately they've kept the windscreen separate, so that stops it getting scratched. I think that's pretty good. And also we've got the loader bucket itself, which is separate again. I think that's pretty good. The instruction booklet, yeah, pretty small. How many pages are we going to have here? 60 pages though, so pretty much a page for every single part. I'm suspecting that is going to be an incredibly simplistic build. Oh yeah, we've got the whole, half the pages are put the parts in your hand, and then the next page is actually putting it together. I think this is going to be a very, very simple build. There are some small parts though, we can see. There are some parts which are just single studs, so that's interesting. It's not for absolutely the youngest builders necessarily, but yeah, let's get this thing built. Just 10 minutes of build time there then, and what we've ended up with is something that's pretty fun. I think that's what we expected, but there's some functionality with this as well. The loader at the front does tilt up, you can push it down to the ground. It does sit just slightly off the ground in general, but easy enough to push down. And at the back we've got the hook, the grabber just there, and that's on a ball joint, so you can move the actual hook itself as well. I think that's pretty nice. Some nice little detailing with the single printed tile pieces just there at either side, and we've also got the printed piece for the roof just here as well. Obviously the baby driver is pretty cool, so in an orange jumpsuit with a red helmet. The helmet is attached to the head, so you put it together all as one piece. The wheels do jut out quite a bit, but this isn't supposed to be anything too realistic, but you can see just how much those tyres are protruding from the sides. Yeah, I think this is actually pretty good. Might have liked to see it for $1 less than $10 US, $9, $8 would have been lovely. But, for a kid, they're going to get a fair bit of play out of this. I'm sure it will take them a bit longer than the 10 minutes it took me to build it. On top of that, we had 4 extra pieces, just all of those single elements, single stud elements just there. They can actually work pretty well as some debris for the loader to pick up. So we can see just there, you wouldn't be able to scoop them up just by pushing it down. You have to push them with your hand into the bucket, but that should be easy enough. I think this is a really nice little set, and with how expensive a lot of Lego is, just in terms of not the value parts per price or anything like that, just the absolute price. You know, we're talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars for a lot of sets. Certainly a lot of sets that are at least $100. It's nice to see something that they've done at $10. And there's more to it than there is if you just pick up a CMF series minifig. You know, there's a fair bit here. You could use some of the parts and bulk this up into something different. But I think, yeah, very, very cute. I recommend. Anyway, hopefully you've enjoyed the review. If you have, please do leave a like. Consider subscribing. We do more substantial reviews than just for tiny sets like this. We should have a cement mixer coming up pretty soon. But with that, I'll leave you and say, as always, be good.